Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Taking just be. Don't take it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ifna. If it's your first time here, please don't make it your last. Subscribe to my channel, like this video because you're definitely gonna like it, and yeah, share it with someone so they can also see and watch this video. We have a couple things planned. We're going to Siar. I don't know if you watched my last vlog or 2 vlogs ago. I don't know which one it is, but one of my vlogs I went to Siar, so we're going back there today again. And then we're also going to Amazonia, I think is the name of the restaurant, and yeah, a bunch of other things. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a cute vlog. So yeah, let's go. So hi guys, we are currently at Siar. We came here because Trevor's friend Annabelle, she wants to try some clothes and actually like buy some clothes. So we're just waiting for her to see how they fit and hopefully they look cute. I'll show you guys as well. Trez, you want to say hi?
Just loving this moment.
How's your shopping experience?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Okay.
You guys show up at mine.
You should hurry up and marry your proposal so we can wait for our wedding, as in your proposal. But yeah, so we're done. We'll do. What kind of theme is that?
Magic. How would I mind?
With some wonderland. A big.
Forever.
Oh, like it. Nice. Hi guys. So we just got to the Art Tech District. I think that's what it's called. I want to take pictures first, and then we're going to go to eat at Amazonia, and then yeah.
A few moments later.
You don't know I'm looking with.
Finally made it to Amazonia after like 30 minutes of pictures. Hi guys, so we're done at Amazonia and we're just taking a look around the city, you know. I think this place leads to Canes and Lemons. Apparently it's a new restaurant, so we're just gonna like look around. Maybe we'll come back here another day.
You know how people like go out to like dinner and then they come to another restaurant to like drink?
Yeah, that's what you want to do. Sorry, you.
I wish I was that big.
Which way? Oh, this door here.
What can I say? You want to know this name?
You can get ice cream.
Ice cream.
You really do have ice cream. Okay. In case we will come back here.
It will be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya. So guys, we're just waiting to get into Discovery Museum. They said the next entry is at 5 and it's currently 4:47. No, 4:57. So once it's 5 we can go in. I've been here before, but I'm going again because of my sister and her friend because they want to go. So yeah, if you watch my last Abuja vlog, you'd see when I came to Discovery Museum. But yeah, I'm excited to see maybe there's something new, there's something different, because last time I came here was like 2 years ago. So this was done.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of.
Good morning guys. So today we are headed to Sip and Paint. I can't remember what the place is called, but that's where we're going right now. And then after that we're going to go for lunch at Siar and Ryan's. And yeah, the aesthetics look really good, so I hope the food is like really nice as well. Yeah, stay tuned. So the Sip and Paint place doesn't open till 12. So yeah, this is the place, Ellie and Lulu. So guys, we are done. As in, food is actually really good here at Lulu's and something. Ellie and Lulu's. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So guys, we're off to location number 2. We're going to Sip and Paint, which I'm so excited for. Can't wait.
Hey, baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world.
Hi guys, we're out at location number 3. Zaya and Ryan's.
Girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave. Brave.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. Today is Sunday and I'm getting ready to go to church right now. Yeah, so let's go. I look so tired. My eye bag. I think I'm going to put like a bit of powder on my face. I don't have time to do like a whole beat, so I'm just going to do a light makeup look. So yeah, that should be cute. And then after that, I'm going for brunch with my friend at Hilton, which I'm really excited for. Like since I was a kid, like we always used to go to Hilton, especially on Sundays as well, for like their Sunday brunch. So this is very like, I don't know if it's nostalgic or yeah, I'm really excited to go again. I haven't been in such a long time. So yeah, like I love Hilton's brunch so much. So yeah, I'm so happy. That's like literally one of the highlights of my day. Oh god, these eye bags are crazy. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later. I can just get ready and like do a bit of a chit chat because I feel like talking. Let's get ready for church. Doing my very light beats because we're already running late. I need to cover my eye bags. Actually, I don't have eye bags. I do. So I just got back from church. This is my outfit to church. Really simple and cute. Oh, you guys, I'm not feeling like the best. Like, I'm even happy I was able to go to church, but I'm not feeling so great. I'm feeling great in Jesus' name. But yeah, this morning has just kind of interesting. I feel like I'm kind of, I don't know if it's food poisoning, but like I ate like breakfast, lunch, and dinner outside yesterday, and I think it's actually catching up with me because yeah, I just ate a bunch of different things. I had like a crepe chicken wrap with mushroom in the morning at a restaurant with a mango bubble tea. turkey. For lunch, I went to Sip and Paint and I had Chapman, and then for lunch went to lunch after Sip and Paint, and I had jollof rice and turkey. I didn't get a drink there, but then I went out for dinner. I don't think I showed you guys, but I now had jollof rice again and suya chicken and the mango daiquiri. So I think the combination of all those things is just really making me kind of sick. But yeah, anyways, I'm feeling a bit better and I'm about to go for Sunday brunch today. That Hilton brunch, I really been looking forward to it. I'm just like, please, I have to be able to eat. I have to be able to eat. And also, I also don't eat this much on a normal day. Like, I usually just have lunch. I don't have breakfast. I don't have dinner. I would only just have lunch or only have dinner, right? And I never eat 3 times a day. So I think my body is also just like, what's happening? This is a lot of food. But yeah, I'm feeling a bit better today, thank God. I really had to push myself to go to church, so I'm glad I did. Church was really good. It was amazing. I'm just going to get ready. I mean, there's not much getting ready to do. It is almost 12 o'clock. I'm going for brunch in like an hour, 2 hours. So yeah, let's go. Naya 1, Abuja 0. Okay, because I'm not going to let this get me down today. We're still active, okay?
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess,
Hi guys, here is Santa Bill.
TV shows the country.
Hopefully they have something for us.